Hello, in this video I will show you how to sew two pocket models. First, I pierce the size of main pocket with a sharp object, so that the size of the pocket opening is not short or long. I have already prepared this 12 cm pocket opening. My pocket opening consists of three components. I have to mark the beginning and end of pocket opening with a pen, so that my sewing amount is not more or less. Now I have to put it in the place where I made a hole and sew the space between the two marks. I put the lining of the second pocket with a distance of 2 cm and sew it, but the stitch length should be smaller than the facing stitch. Cut between the two seam lines exactly like I did. I turn the opening of the pocket regularly and sew around pocket to make it tight. I also sew the inside of pocket to finish it. My pocket is ready and I can keep my money in it. This pocket model that I am sewing is only for decoration, and I can also use it as a button place. I prepared a plastic strip with a later design for this button in order to sew it more easily. I moisten it with a little oil. I fold the fabric and sew half a centimeter wide and 5 cm long. I sewed the opposite fabric exactly the same size, but the distance between the stitches should not exceed 1 centimeter. Cut between the stitch like in the picture, but be careful not to cut the stitch. Now turn the pocket opening and sew around it. Thank you for being with me until this moment. If you like it, please like and subscribe to the channel.